150 sentences for beginners. We are happy. We are happy. Negative. We aren't happy. We aren't happy. Yes/no question. Are we happy? Are we happy? WH question. How are we? How are we? Tag question. We are happy, aren't we? We are happy, aren't we? The dog is brown. The dog is brown. Negative. The dog isn't brown. The dog isn't brown. Yes/no question. Is the dog brown? Is the dog brown? WH question. What color is the dog? What color is the dog? Tag question. The dog is brown, isn't it? The dog is brown, isn't it? I see birds. I see birds. Negative. I don't see birds. I don't see birds. Yes/no question. Do I see birds? Do I see birds? WH question. What do I see? What do I see? Tag question. I see birds, don't I? I see birds, don't I? He loves chocolate. He loves chocolate. Negative. He doesn't love chocolate. He doesn't love chocolate. Yes/no question. Does he love chocolate? Does he love chocolate? WH question. What does he love? What does he love? Tag question. He loves chocolate, doesn't he? He loves chocolate, doesn't he? The teacher is nice. The teacher is nice. Negative. The teacher isn't nice. The teacher isn't nice. Yes/no question. Is the teacher nice? Is the teacher nice? WH question. How is the teacher? How is the teacher? Tag question. The teacher is nice, isn't he? The teacher is nice, isn't he?